What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna show you how to protect your Porsche using ceramic coating. Now if you wanna protect your Porsche against rain, salt, environmental damage, and keep it looking good for the road, you're gonna wanna pick a ceramic coating to protect your vehicle. Now right here in the shop, we got a Porsche Cayenne, and we're gonna show you how to protect your vehicle using the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. Now ceramic coatings are the newest protection properties for any vehicle. It gives durable protection and a high gloss shine to your car. And if you got a Porsche like this Cayenne and you want to drive it every day and take it off road, then you need to go ahead and get an Evolution ceramic coating applied on that vehicle. Now we're going to hop on the car, show you how to apply the coating at home so you can get professional results right in your garage. So let's show you guys how to apply a ceramic coating to your Porsche. Now we got this Porsche Cayenne right in the shop. This is a true off-road vehicle, goes anywhere, does anything. So that's why we need to have great protection on the vehicle, and we're gonna use our Masterson's Evolution coating. So what is a ceramic coating? A ceramic coating is a shield that you put on your car and protects it for up to 1 year. So you can put this on your paint, your glass, your headlights, your taillights, your plastic, your wheels, your exhaust tips, all areas of the vehicle, and it's fast and easy to apply. Now a big car like this, it's tiresome to wax the whole vehicle, but with a spray coating, so easy, so fast, and it's gonna get me on the road quicker and easier. Now to apply a ceramic coating to your vehicle, you're first gonna go ahead and wash the car. We went ahead and washed this vehicle first using our Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash. Now this is a ceramic auto wash designed to prep and maintain ceramic coated cars. So if you wanna pick up a tag team combo to keep your Porsche looking great, these two products right here is all you need. So we washed the vehicle and then we clay barred the car, and now the car feels super smooth. This thing just feels amazing, right? And it's time to be protected. So all we need to apply our ceramic coating today is an applicator pad and our Evolution ceramic coating. So let's shake our coating up, activate it, and then we're gonna take the coating and spray a few sprays on our applicator pad. Now let's start here on the fender and then we'll work our way over. So we're gonna take the ceramic coating and we're gonna spread it on the surface. There we go. It's a really easy coating to apply. It spreads on, easy off application, and we can even spread it on that trim too. So check out the trim that we applied it to. So good on there, and we'll spread it out. Now, all the coating needs to do is be spread on the surface evenly and bond for like 10 seconds. So now we've applied the coating. Let's take our microfiber towel and let's just go easily buff off the coating. Wow, so easy to apply. Other coatings, they might be hard to remove. They might get high spots, low spots. This product, so easy to apply. Look, we're able to apply the coating to the surface in just a few seconds, and it feels extra slick. So now all this needs to do is bond to the surface for a few hours, and boom, we're gonna have hydrophobic protection. So let's go to the door, and we'll show you guys how to apply it on the glass and the door as well. So once again, we'll take our ceramic coating, spray it, and then we're gonna go ahead and spread it on the glass. Check that out. Now we'll spread on the door too. So easy to apply our ceramic coating. So if you're looking for a coating that's easy to apply, check this out. You know, coatings have come a long way in the past 10 years, 20 years. Older coatings, they used to be so hard to apply, where you'd put it on the car, they're so hard to remove, they're so hard to apply. This is a game changer for the industry, the Evolution ceramic coating. Effortless application, works on all surfaces. Other companies, they make coatings and they say, oh, you gotta buy this coating for glass, this coating for paint, this coating for wheels. We designed one coating that works for everything, so it truly is a game changer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna allow this to dry on the surface. It's a little bit cool today. You notice it started to dry a little here and it's starting to haze up, so it's ready to be removed. So we're gonna take a towel and we're just gonna buff the surface. And look how easy it removes from the glass, from the paint, from the trim. It's such an easy product to use. Let's go ahead and open our microfiber and buff this side. Wow, let's move on to the door. And don't forget the mirror. This is why I love Masterson's Car Care products. These are a great choice for anybody that wants to keep their car looking good, but doesn't want to spend a lot of effort. Like if you guys own a Porsche, Porsches are all about being driven, they're all about being fast, all about having a good time. Man, this just makes it easy and it goes on super slick, super smooth. This is an older Porsche, it's got 200,000 miles on it, but we know it's gonna be protected for another 200,000, and this thing just feels so slick. So when you wanna get the best coating, just pick up the Evolution ceramic coating, get it on your car, and you know it's gonna stay looking great. Well, there you go, guys. Now you know how to ceramic coat your Porsche at home. You can get professional quality results with this professional coating that's easy to apply, gives amazing results, and gonna give the ultimate protection for your Porsche. You saw exactly how we apply it on the car. Now you can do it at home, easy and fast. Now, if you wanna pick up your Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Coating, head over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and pick it up today, plus all the other detailing tools, accessories, microfibers, and chemicals that you need to make your car look great inside and out. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, keep on detailing.